Am I screenshotting this?
I was just gonna see how long you'd let me sit before you said it.
Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video is another edition of Mother vs. Daughter Sephora Play Edition. Watch out, American Idol. Boys, we coming for you.
No, we're not. Anyways, basically, today we are filming our Sephora versus Sephora, Mother versus Daughter, because it's that time of month again. We finally got it. Even though the month is literally almost over, but you know, it's okay. Okay, we're still getting it up for you guys. What Sephora Play is a $10 a month subscription service, and it is it formulated to you? You put what you like.
Put a profile.
So you put your profile in, pale, dark hair, blue eyes. I like all kinds of makeup and stuff. I'm not opposed to
I
new
totally
things.
just peeked a smidgen.
She's tan, blonde hair, is not as open to trying all the new things because she doesn't like bright color.
No.
So yeah, let's get into it. Knock that out real fast.
So,
baby.
yeah, much faster than I do.
I know.
So, you always get this doodad that I always say, like, is totally a waste. And then I had one of you all, like, DM me and, like, girl, I fill it out. And I'm like, oh, I don't have the patience for it. ADD
fill
strong.
It out? What do you fill out?
Well, normally, last month there was, like, a crossword puzzle or something.
Oh.
And one of you guys, like, sent me the crossword puzzle filled out. I'm like, oh, you good. They no longer do the 50 points, though. So I don't know. Do any of y'all know? Wow, yours looks really good, and I don't know what you were talking about.
I don't think I like any of this. Oh, I might be able to give that to my teacher.
It's really good stuff. But do they just automatically add 50 points to our Sephora thing, or are they just doing away with it? Because I know that they're supposed to be doing away with all of the points. Which stinks.
The whole point system?
That's what I heard. I don't know if it's like 100%, but I heard that. So.
Well, a lot of people are saving up their points to get the gift cards.
It's heavy. I know. But they don't even do $100 gift cards anymore. They do 25. So it's like 1,000 points for a $25 gift card.
So if you spend
that's what I do.
$1,000 to get 25?
Yeah, it's kind of a ripoff.
Yeah.
My bag feels really heavy. You know what we forgot to say is
what?
Who won the Ipsy one.
Oh, me.
Okay, Haley won the Ipsy one. Maybe I can cut that out and maybe not. I don't know. Anyways, go ahead. What's your...
My first item is the Away
Ooh.
body cream.
Oh, fancy. By the way, if I haven't told you guys, the house is full today. All the kids. That sounds nice and clean. Their significant others, my significant other, everybody's coughing. Good times. What are you doing?
There's 8 people in our house.
Yeah. Did you count me?
Yes.
Okay, so my first item is this cutesy little Sol de Janeiro
Aww.
boom boom cream. Which you guys know, like I stockpile these little mini Coco Cabana ones because those are my favorite. But I do like this one. This does smell nice. And it's like super duper full.
It is her favorite lotion. It's stupid expensive.
It is. I'm bougie, but that's why I stockpile these little things when I get them.
I don't know what you're saying though, but I'm filming. Okay, I don't want to do this one yet. My next one, ooh, is this Amika 3D Volumizing Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. And I don't
Every
know.
time you do that to your voice, I think of that TikTok. Where everyone's like,
I can't
"Oh."
help it. I don't know if it's sulfate free or not, because if it's not, I can't use it. Yours is for blonde, so it automatically has to be sulfate free. I mean, not
I
necessarily.
did not know this. Okay, so my
You
next...
should only use sulfate free stuff on your
Well, I use Briogeo, Olaplex, and Redken, so I guess so. So this next one is the Blonde Ale Brightening Shampoo by Dry Bar. I like Dry Bar's spray, conditioner, and dry shampoo, so I guess I will try this and see if it actually works as good as my Redken.
My next item is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream, which I really need this time of year because I mess with my nose ring a lot, and it bothers my mom because I get really bad dry skin around it.
I think she's like picking her nose.
Why would I do that? I get really dry skin around my nose ring. I don't know if anyone else does, but I do. And I exfoliate the heck out of it every day, but it still is there. Well,
That's Bo playing with his phone, guys.
Did you see that?
Yeah!
Okay, so I'll smell it. It smells like rose. I like the way
It's
this
soft.
smells.
Yeah, it doesn't smell like it's gonna be irritating.
This bottle is so cute. Like this little jar, like it looks just so fancy. Like I feel like I should keep it when I finish it and like hang it on the little shelf and be like, oh yes, I'm bougie.
So my next item is a Marc Jacobs gel crown pencil. Ooh, and it's super soft. And I bet you the day after Christmas, Marc Jacobs is gonna have another amazing sale. So
my next item is another thing for dry skin. It is the Wonder Beauty Lip Retreat Oil.
Oh, I've not tried that.
I don't know what this really is. I thought this was a face cream when I first opened it. I'm gonna put some on my lips.
So my next item is Grande Cosmetics or Grand Cosmetics. I think it's Grande Cosmetics. It is an intense thickening mascara with castor oil. So I'm not mad about that. Vegan and cruelty free and all those free of those bad things. Ooh.
Why is there barely anything in here? Like, hello?
Oh, it.
One hit wonder.
Yeah, it's like a tinted. Did you know that?
Mm-hmm.
It's a pretty tint. Am I screenshotting this?
I was just gonna see how long you'd let me sit before you said anything. Okay, my next item is this Smashbox Super Fan Dot Mascara.
I heard that's good.
I'll try this because my current tube of Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension is drying out. So I have to finish all my other mascaras before I open my new tube.
So my next item is by Way. This is a body cleanser. So I'm excited to try that. That's yay. Okay.
My last item is really exciting. It is the Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel.
You need that because Bo doesn't let you sleep.
Dr. Brandt. That's true.
Bo.
It feels really empty though.
Does it?
I wonder if this works. Because if it does, I'll recommend it to my teacher because she'll feel empty.
Oh, literally
One hit
one. Yeah, that's disappointing. Okay, so my last item is by Tarte.
That's so good.
Is it?
Yes.
Drink H2O Hydrating Boost Hydrant.
Drink up.
And that's like a good size, so happy about that. So give me your thoughts about your bag.
I think you won.
I won?
Yeah.
I love my
I'm
bag.
super excited about mine.
The only thing that I'm like, nah, but again, it's perfect. It's curated. I feel like to me would be it's one of those things that you know you're getting a sample, and honestly I'd rather, but it's one of those things where I'd rather get this purple shampoo than like the mini vial of perfume. Yes. So I'm actually really happy with this. I honestly really like this bag. I like this bag a lot. This is probably, yeah, this was really good. Totally worth the $10. So way to go, Sephora. Yeah,
this pretty much empty. This feels pretty much empty.
Yeah, you had a lot of empty things.
This is good size. I'm excited about that. This I'm excited, and this I don't really. I really like the mascara I have, but I'm willing to try it. This I just save for when I travel, and I don't travel that much. I wish I could. When I graduate, I think I'm going to be a traveling cosmetologist. Fun fact, that's a possibility in my life. Because I just want to see all the places.
Okay guys, so that is all for the December 2019 Sephora Play bagging. We hope you guys enjoyed it enough to give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check my description box for Hailey's channel as well as my second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs. I am uploading every day over here pretty much at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time, and over on my second channel pretty much every single day at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Hailey uploads all the time because she's doing Vlogmas over on her channel.
Well, I upload all the time at like 1 in the morning. School life, work life, always busy life. Just palm my shoulder.
Anyways guys, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and until next time, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.